Do you feel article N is easy? But N FIR, why? N MBA, why? Hello everyone. I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે આર્ટિકલ N એડવાન્સ્ડ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કરીશું. આફ્ટર ધીસ વિડિયો તમને કોઈ પણ પ્રકારની કન્ફ્યુઝન નહીં રહે. સો લેટ્સ બિગિન. We start this video with core concept. N means indefinite article. N is used before vowel sound, before A, E, I, O, U, but sound important. Now sound rule, deep understanding. Now I say golden rule, not letter but sound important. In normal cases, an act, an office, an amazing story. Now advanced cases, an FIR, an hour. Remember this trick. સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં vowel sound હોય તો આર્ટિકલ N યુઝ થાય. Now silent letter mastery. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આ લેવલ પર કન્ફ્યુઝ થાય છે. An hour, an honor, an honest. આ બધામાં H સાયલેન્ટ છે એટલે આર્ટિકલ N યુઝ થાય. Now compare. A house, a hospital. આમાં H પ્રેઝન્ટ છે એટલે આર્ટિકલ A. Remember easy trick. When H present, use article A. When H silent, use article N. Now abbreviation and acronym rules. આ ટોપિક એક્ઝામ માટે ફેવરેટ છે. Here are two new words, abbreviation and acronym. Let me explain these new words. First one is abbreviation, a short form of a word, phrases. Second one is acronym. Acronym means a short word that is made from the first letters of a group of words. Now examples. An MBA, an MA, an FIR, an IPS officer. Now comparison. A UNESCO project, a university, U sound. Remember easy trick. Spelling nahi, pronunciation juo. Now let's learn advanced uses. First one is general meaning. Example, I saw an elephant. Next one is profession. Example, he is an actor. Third one is exclamation. Example, what an idea. Now fix common mistakes that made by students. Don't say a honorable. Say an honorable. Stop saying an 1 rupee. Start saying a 1 rupee. Never say an unique story. Say a unique story. Now advanced practice. ચાલો ટેસ્ટ આપીએ. Number 1, he is a dashed honest man. Number 2, she is a dash MBA graduate. Number 3, it is dash university. Number 4, I saw dash alligator. Number 5 and last, he filled blank FIR. Now pause video and fix your answer. Let's show me your answer. Number 1, he is an honest man. Second number, she is an MBA student. Number 3, it is a university. Number 4, I saw an alligator. Fifth, he filled an FIR. Now quick revise what we learned today. First, sound rule. Second, silent letters. Third, exam tricks. આ ટોપિક એક્ઝામ માટે માસ્ટર કરો, ગ્રામર સ્ટ્રોંગ થશે. Comment below article and strong. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.